Let's understand DeepSeek V4 attention architecture. Let's first look at heavily compressed attention. So the goal here is to make the model understand huge document, the general ideas, not the details, but the general ideas. So it's gonna take 128 tokens and squash them down to single compressed token. So it's gonna just compress 128 into a single token. But it doesn't just average them, it learns some weights that are gonna be able to detect which tokens are most important, and then uses some algorithm formula to make the most important tokens contribute more information. And because of this squishing, 1 million tokens would seem like 7,800 tokens. Join our community to become AI researcher. There are all of these courses: building large language models from scratch, AI auto research, reinforcement learning. There is community where we engage, share our learnings, where I add videos, reply to comments. So we're gonna support you in becoming AI researcher. Check below the video. There is also compressed sparse attention. So this is for details, and this is squishing 4 tokens into one. So it's a lot fewer tokens squished into one. So they're using lightning indexer, which is actually from DeepSeek sparse attention paper. This is just gonna, basically it's a fast attention mechanism that's gonna quickly judge and score which of the tokens are important, relevant to the current token. So it's just a quick way to judge. It's a very fast attention mechanism, and then it's gonna pick most important tokens and then do real attention, because real attention is a bit heavier, and a lot heavier, I think. Maybe 4 or 5 times or more times slower than lightning indexer. So it may select only 500 or 1,000 most relevant tokens, maybe 2,000 in the previous paper, and then it's gonna just perform attention on those most relevant, most important tokens. And then sliding window attention is just for the exact tokens, uncompressed details. And it's just a few previous tokens, some window of tokens, 128 or 256 or whatever. And these are exact uncompressed tokens. Usually in the language, most recent words, most recent tokens are most important. So sliding window attention is added to both of these, compressed and heavily compressed attention. So in DeepSeek V4's hybrid attention, the compressed token acts as both key and value. This is interesting. Usually key and value are separate vectors, but here key and value is the same compressed token embedding. So there is this also concept of attention sinks that forms naturally in attention mechanism, where all of the attention goes to the first token. This is where the large language model doesn't need to use all of its attention, so it just learns to use maybe first token in the whole sequence as the attention sink. So just puts a lot of attention there. But okay, so the idea, what DeepSeek does is they actually added a separate attention sink logit, and this has the specific purpose of being as attention sink, so it's gonna be improved. It's gonna have this particular functionality as opposed to model trying to create this by itself. For example, if a query decides that none of the previous tokens are useful, or they're only useful a little bit, it can dump all or most of its attention to this attention sink. So we are not forcing the model to take attention from irrelevant tokens. It can just dump its attention to this sink. And all of these mechanisms are put in different layers. They're not present in every single layer, every of the mechanism. So for first 2 layers, they may use sliding window attention or heavily compressed attention. And for the rest, it alternates. So compressed, heavily compressed, compressed, heavily compressed, and so on. You can join our community to become AI researcher. We have all of the courses from scratch. You want to learn to code large language models from scratch, and there is community where I'm actively engaging, making posts, adding new videos. So link below the video. Start your free trial now.